Hello everyone, and welcome to what is going to be a short video. This is more of a code snippet type of video where I show you a tip and trick that I found useful in my workflow. So I am a Python Dash data science full stack developer, but one thing that I really do enjoy is the plotly graphing libraries. In some projects I use it, and in some projects I don't. I genuinely love Dash Mantine Components, and I use this in pretty much every single application that I build at this point from scratch. And they do have their own charts, as you can see right here. And what I wanted to do is I wanted to take some of the functionality that you could see in the Plotly graphing library, specifically the range slider. I think that this is a notable feature of the Plotly graphs, is that you can zoom into specific aspects of the chart, and it's just really dynamic, it's clean, and it just looks nice. So I genuinely love this, and I wanted to see if I could do something similar with DMC charts. So DMC charts, they do have different functionality. They look a little bit different. Like each one of these, from the Plotly graphing library charts or the Dash Mantine component charts, they have pros and cons to them. This has some features that this doesn't. This has some features that this doesn't. So basically what I wanted to do is I wanted to create that range slider effect, and the way that I went about doing that, I started with the line chart, and then I also took the Sparkline component, and I also took the DMC slider. And specifically, we could scroll down a little bit further, and I am referring to the range slider. So this aspect right here. And then what I ended up building out is a limited working example of how you can zoom in using that range slider, and it perfectly reflects on the graph above. So all I really wanted to do is I wanted to release this code snippet on the Plotly forum, so that anybody who is interested in getting this type of functionality with your Dash Mantine component charts, you can now do that. You could use this as a limited working example, and you could just kind of feed it into your AI of choice, show them a line chart that you have, and just kind of say, hey, I want this type of functionality, can you help me get to there? And it should do a pretty good job. Or you could do it the old-fashioned way and just read the code, integrate it yourself, and build it out. So with that, check out in the links down below. I will include a link to where you can find the code, and you can get this limited working example set up and running. But yeah, it's a relatively simple video, short, sweet, to the point. With that, if you found this useful or interesting, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.